beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm LuceStephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe. It gives the video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel, and turn that notification bell on so you don't miss any of my future videos. I do upload on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, but I'm uploading a lot more recently. Oh, quick. Just so there being loads of new exciting releases. Today, as you can tell by the thumbnail, I'm going to be showing you what is inside the I Heart Revolution 12 Days of Bath Fizzer set. This retails for £25 and it has obviously 12 like bath fizzer bath bombs in it. Then the other set, which I've just opened and didn't realise my microphone wasn't turned on, is the Candy Sleep set. This retails for £10. It generally smells like dreams. So it has like the little blue stuff inside, and then in it you actually get a bath bomb and you get this marshmallow cloud bubble bath. It just smells like marshmallow goodness. I wish they did it in like a body spray, an oil, a body wash. Like I would have been all over this. Like without even taking it off, you can just smell it. It smells unbelievable. Yeah. Can't get over the smell of it. It smells so nice. So that is the £10 gift set, just in case you are curious and wanting to buy some of it for Christmas. Obviously, I do have a discount code. It's Luce20 for the UK, US and Australian website on full price products only. Fortunately, I don't have a code for the other websites, just for them three. So let's just get straight into these 12 days of bath fizzers. So when you open up the door, it just looks like this. And then it's like an actual like advent calendar for bath bombs. So if you know somebody who is massively into baths and this is like their vibe, or like for instance my sister when she was younger used to love her baths. So my mum used to always try and get her bath bombs, but they're so expensive from Luce, like ridiculously expensive. So to get 12 for £25 in this advent calendar is amazing. Let's just get straight into day number 1. So it just opens up like this, and then you have your little bath bomb behind it. So in this one we have like a blue and white marble one. I can vaguely like smell stuff. I've still got like a really bad cold. But yeah, that is behind door number 1. Then for door number 2, well, behind door number 2 we have like a pink and blue one. Okay, that smells really nice as well. Ooh, so day number 3 is a different shape one. So this one we have a reddy orangey star, and it's got shimmer in that one, just to let you know, because I don't like shimmery bath bombs. So just in case somebody else is like me. I don't like getting out of a bath and being full of shimmer. Oh, moving on to day number 4, we have a little love heart. What I really like about this is that they're all individually wrapped. So you could like store them in like a little tub in the bathroom looking all cute, but one, poo particles aren't going to get out to it, because if you know me, like I will not, I don't know if you can see, like back here, that's my toothbrush in my bedroom. I cannot leave stuff that I feel like are going to get contaminated in the bathroom because of poo particles. It's just not my thing. I got it from my mum. My mum was the same. We've never ever in our whole like house, any house that we've lived in, we've never once kept a toothbrush in the bathroom because of poo particles. So for me, I like this because it means I can put it all in like a little basket or a little tub, all nice and cute in the bathroom, but it's protected and no poo particles. I know it's like way too much info, but just being honest. So yeah, that is a little peachy heart. They definitely have different scents to them, but I just couldn't tell you what because my smell isn't that good at the moment, with me being still a bit poorly. Oh, day number 5 is like a bigger door. I'm not doing well with opening these. It's a little Christmas tree. That is adorable. That is really cute. That one's got like a really distinct different smell. That smells nice. So that is day number 5, and then moving on to day number 6. Honestly, my sister loved this when she was younger. Day number 6, we have a pink heart. Oh, this one smells totally different as well. Really nice. Sorry, you can hear me sniffling. It's the only way that I can like vaguely smell anything. Moving on to day number 7. Day number 7, we have a blue heart, which is really cute. Yep. That one's got a different smell to it as well. Day number 8, we have a purple one. This is purple with like a little bit of white and pink in it as well. And that one smells nice as well. It smells different to the other ones that I've smelled though. Ooh, moving on to day number 9, which is another one of the big doors, like what the tree one was in. Oh my god, this one is so cute. It's a little unicorn. This one is a sparkly one as well, just in case anyone doesn't like them ones. So it's like a white unicorn with pink bits on it, and it has like purpley pinky glitter on it. There, you can see it a lot better there. So that one obviously is day number 9. Surprised that one fit in. That one was huge for that dot. And then moving on to day number 10, which is another sparkly one. This is more of like a gold star. Oh, it smells nice as well. Smells really nice, but again, it's a sparkly one, so it's whether that's your vibe. Moving on to day number 11, which is a smaller one, and we're going back to like the little circle ones. This is like a purpley and blue one. And then last but not least, we have day number 12, which is a bigger one. Oh, and it's a little seashell, which is really cute. And this one looks like it has some shim in it as well, but not as intense as the other ones. Yeah, honestly, my sister would have absolutely loved this when she was younger. It definitely would have been something that my mum would have wanted to get her. It's 100% vegan. It says that you can recycle all of the packaging. Ooh, it says the actual scents on the back, which I didn't realise. So I'm just going to quickly run through them. So the purple and blue marble ball was blackcurrant rose. The mint green and white marble ball was green tea nectarine blossom. I never would have guessed any of these because I ain't good at stuff like this. The pink and mint green marble ball was raspberry. The red heart fizzer was strawberry and vanilla. The pink heart fizzer was cranberry. The blue heart fizzer was blueberry. The purple heart fizzer was lavender. I did get lavender vibes on that actually. Yellow gold heart star fizzer was banana. Don't really smell like banana, that one. Well, unless I'm just can't really smell anything. The bronze star fizzer smelled like peach. The unicorn fizzer smelled like candy and cookie. The tree fizzer smelled like green apple. And then the shell fizzer was meant to smell like mint. Obviously, I'm not the best to test this because obviously can't really smell much at the moment, but obviously it's cruelty free and vegan, just in case anyone is curious. Yeah, that is everything that you get in the 12 days of Bath Fizzers advent calendar. I'd love to know what you think down below. It's totally like something totally different, isn't it? So yeah, love to know what you think. My bedroom smells amazing now because I can just smell like all of it mingled together. This smells so nice. So I've just did like my full reveal of the School for Good and Evil collection. It'll be up on my channel now because I'm uploading this. Like, literally after I film it. This is must be such a strong smell because I can smell it very clearly even when I've got a cold. It's like a tangy apple, like tango apple kind of smell. Unbelievable. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please leave your comments down below, let me know what you think. And I'll hopefully see you in another video very soon. Thank you so much to our patrons for being so loving and supportive. Love you so much. Thank you so much. Bye. Peace out.